Hi, today I'm going to be talking about one of my major frustrations in terms of letting agents who just simply do not understand the laws of assured short or tenancy agreements and also evicting with Section 21s. Now, here is a real classic case in point of a letting agent who's got it completely wrong and has cost landlord thousands of pounds. So what's gone wrong here? This is an actual defence submitted by a tenant that's gone to court. Firstly, I've not revealed this at the top because I don't want to reveal the landlord's name. But the first part of the defence was the tenancy agreement and the Section 21 had different landlord names. For what reason, I don't know, but that was the case. So the letting agent got it completely wrong. Secondly, you move on from there, they've gone even better. They've got the address of the property wrong. The tenant lives at number 43 Bankside Close, and yet for some reason they've issued possession proceedings against number 47. Well, it gets even better. Well, the tenant moved into this property on the 4th of April 2008, as you can see, and no agreement was put in place when they moved in, but the agent seemingly realised the error of their way, and on the 16th of June they created a tenancy agreement which was signed by the tenant on the 18th of June and had rent commencing payment on the 1st of every month. So you can see there's lots of dates going on there, which is extremely confusing. But the reality is, in law, if the tenant's already in place, irrespective of the fact there is no written tenancy agreement, the law will create an implied 6 months assured short tenancy. So the agreement exists before the written agreement came along, and therefore the written agreement is completely null and void and has no effect. So what this means is the actual date on the Section 21, despite all the other errors, is completely out of kilter, and as you can well imagine, this was thrown out by the courts. Now, what I'm wanting to do with this video is simply bring to your attention that if you're using a letting agent or you're doing it yourself, make sure you understand the laws relating to tenancy agreements and the eviction procedure. If you get it wrong, it's going to cost you thousands of pounds of lost rent. National Property Group, in terms of our department that deals with these, is headed by myself. I'm a landlord and tenant lawyer of 13 years experience, so obviously we know the ins and outs and can ensure that our landlords don't suffer these problems.